Welcome to the video. My name's Steven. In this video, I'm going to be giving away my client delivery system, and I'm going to be completely honest, I really should not do this. Like, this is so valuable, and it's like my prized possession, but I'm giving it away because why not help as many people as I can. This is sick. Like, I wouldn't tell, like, don't tell people about this. Like, this, I shouldn't be telling you about this. This is a really, really good system, and I'm going to set it up for you in this video. It's also downloadable for free in the description. There's a snapshot that you can get. Basically, here are the things that you can do with this client delivery system. So you can send leads to multiple clients in one CRM. Basically, if you have 10 people that you're working with, you can send all of them leads. Say they don't want a CRM. Some guys don't like CRMs, and so that's why I do it this way. You can send them all the leads in the same system. It makes everything manageable. It also is customizable for each person. So if you have, and that's why it says unlimited niche delivery. So say you have a landscaper and a dentist, and they have different qualifying questions from different forms. We're making this process simple for them and for you. All you have to do is click a couple buttons and update a couple custom fields, and then you are able to deliver whatever qualifying questions to whatever client you have. And then that's pretty much it for this. Oh, and we can also deliver employee applications, and I'll get into that a little bit as well in this video. So let's go ahead and dive into this. Here are all the other automations that I've created on this channel. And if you want these automations, again, the link is in the description. We're going to go ahead and start from scratch here with automation. We're not going to start from scratch with an automation. We're going to go to custom fields first. Now, even if you are going to get the automations for this, I would 100% recommend watching this video anyway, because I'm going to, it's very confusing if you don't know what's going on. So we're going to put lead delivery folder. This is for all the fields we're going to be creating. So the first field is a single line, and that is qualifying question 1. This is all going to come full circle. How do you spell qualifying? There we go. It's all going to come full circle at the end. We have qualifying question 1, and then we're going to have answer 1. And this needs to be a multi-line. I do this, what we're doing here is we're making custom questions for each one of your clients. So if one client wants maybe it's a roofer and they need to know if the customer has insurance, then you can put that in this qualifying question 1. But if the other client of yours wants to know what's the make and model and year of the vehicle that you're working with, then that would go in qualifying question 1. So we're updating these questions based on the forms that you add into this snapshot here. So we're going to do it with qualifying question 2 and 3, and I'm going to speed this up because you don't want to watch this. All right, so I've made all of our questions and our answers, and now also I want to make this clear. Make sure that the type is you have a multi-line for the answers and a single line for the text, and then you also want to have it in this order that I have right here. That way everything lines up perfectly and you can see what answers are for what qualifying questions. And if for whatever reason you didn't set it up like that, you can just move it with the hamburger. We have a few more fields that we need to create here, and I need to go and look at my custom fields in my snapshot so I can show you this stuff. Next, we're going to have another single line, and that is going to be offer. That's what we're going to write here. We're going to have an offer one. We're going to have a niche, so whatever your client niche is. And then we're going to have the business name, phone number. Make sure you use the phone number value on here. So we'll just have a business phone, and then the company name. It's the last one. And there's a lot of fields. And if I'm not mistaken, actually, what are we doing here? You cannot create accounts with the same. Clients company name. And the last one is it's going to be a drop down. Then it's going to be prospect type. We're going to put customer. This is only if you also deliver employees. So sometimes I do employee ads for people, and so that's why I have that. But you don't have to make that field if you don't have employees, if you're not doing employees. But I do that sometimes, and it's a really marketable strategy, by the way. If you've never tried to deliver employees, it's very easy. and it gets really good results. All right, let's make this workflow now. So we're going to start from scratch. We're going to call this client delivery. And your trigger is going to be Facebook form submitted. And that's going to be whatever your customer's Facebook form is. And then you want to update contact fields. And you want to update all of these fields from before. So, qualifying questions, these are going to be whatever the questions you asked in your lead form were. I have 3. You don't have to have 3 qualifying questions. You can have 15 if that's what you want to do. But say your qualifying question is, what's the scope of the project? And then, your second one, I'm going to just kind of make up some qualifying questions. Do you have insurance? How old is your roof? Bam. Now we're going to upgrade the business name. So we're going to say ABC Contracting. And then we're going to update the contact type or the prospect type, which in this case would be a customer. And then I'm trying to think, company name or phone number, business phone number, whatever your person's phone number is. So I'll just put in a random number. And then, so if I'm not mistaken, I think I put business name and client's company name. And those mean the same thing. So we're going to actually, I'm going to go back and change it, but it's just the name of your client, right? So John Smith. I'm going to go back and fix that here in just a second. The offer, our offer is a free roof inspection. And our niche is roofing. All right, those are our contact fields. Then we're going to add a tag, and that tag is going to be whatever your customer's name is. That way you can keep track of the information. Then you want to send an SMS and say, hey, this is your name. So this is user first name. From ABC Contracting. Just reaching out to talk about getting the offer of free roof inspection, what we had put in before. Give me a call back when you can. Or give me a call when you can, or ask a question. I'm not going to put my script on here because I can't do that. But I'm going to give you, this is the BS script. So as you can see, hey, this is, or, you can take user first name and get rid of that and do, hey, this is, what is it? This is client company name, but it's going to be the client's name. And I just made that mistake and I'm going to go fix that. Hey, this is John from ABC Contracting, just reaching out to talk to you about getting a free roof inspection. Jesus. Now we do a 24-hour wait, and if they don't answer that 24 hours, then we send them another text, but if they do answer, then we get sent a notification. So I'm going to build this out really quickly. Contact replied true. If they replied, we send an internal notification to you with the contact's name and the message body. Nope. Message body. Again, if you want this snapshot, it is in the description. Just click below. Now, and if they don't answer, SMS, did you get my text from yesterday? Or whatever you want to write in here. Again, figure it out. You're an adult. It's pretty sick. That's it. So that's our client delivery pipeline or message. And then I guess I do kind of need to build a pipeline for this, so I'm just going to build a crappy one really quickly just to make this next automation. So we'll put lead sending, and we'll say lead in, hot lead sent. Let me add them to the pipeline. Lead sending, lead in, and now we just need to create one more, and that is the lead sent. So lead sent. So basically, after you've had a conversation or you've talked to the customer or whatever it is that you're going to do in order to deliver that lead, whether it's a phone call or a text or an email, this is how you would set that up. So we would do transfer, or what is it, opportunity. Status change, no. Update opportunity. Let's go. Opportunity changed from in pipeline. Sending. And sent. Now, here's where the interesting part comes in. This is where everything comes together. So you would just write, we just spoke to whatever the person's name is. We just spoke to John Smith. And then whatever information you gathered from either the call or from the Facebook form. So I usually just put the phone number, the email, and then if you have any other information that you gathered as well, put that in there, like the address. Next, I would put qualifying question 1, answer 1, qualifying question 2, answer 2, question 3, answer 3. So your customer is getting the information from about the lead, and then the qualifying questions that you picked up on Facebook. Again, that's tailored to each one of them specifically. And after that, at the bottom, I usually put a call to action, like give them a call or whatever the case is. So that's pretty much it. So whenever you move a lead to the sent part of the pipeline, oh shit, I did this wrong. Internal notification to, like say it's SMS, like you want to do an SMS. Custom number, that custom number is contact business phone. All right, so internal notification to that person. It's not an SMS. Don't put an SMS because you're going to send that to the customer and it's going to look really weird. So that's everything. I think I'm not going to go over the employee stuff because this video is running long as piss. And so this is everything that I have for right now. Let me actually go and change that custom field while I'm thinking about it. But that is half of the video. The other half, I'm just going to show you how to do the employee stuff. So I'm going to make another video on that. If you want me to do that, go ahead and like this video because I want to know that at least what I'm doing here is interesting and people are using it. I've seen a lot of people download the snapshot, and so I figured you might want that snapshot as well. If you want the snapshots, in the description, check it out. Client name. That's what this is. And that's everything. So thank you for watching. Get the snapshots in the description. And if this helped you out, leave a like and let me know, or a comment. Leave a comment and let me know how this helped you. Thank you for watching.